For as long as we have lived on this planet, we are always assured that the ground beneath our feet is firm and solid. From time to time, we experience some shaking when an earthquake occurs. But for the most part, the Earth is one immovable object. Thus, it is truly mind-blowing when we first learned, most likely in grade school, that our dear planet is far from an inert object. That in actuality, it is moving through space, revolving around the sun together with the other planets that make up the solar system. What is even more incredible is that, while it is making that year-round trip, it's also spinning like a top at a constant speed of about 1,050 miles per hour. If you have no idea how fast that is, think of the fastest car in the world today, the SSC Tuatara. It has claimed its title by clocking a top speed of 331 miles per hour and an average speed of 316.11 miles per hour. That's just nearly a third of the speed by which the Earth is spinning. Fortunately for us mortals living on this planet, an even greater force is keeping us rooted here and not thrown in all directions due to centrifugal force. It's called gravity. And we can also thank momentum for preventing us from ever feeling that incredible spinning speed. It's the same as when we are riding a car zipping through a highway, blissfully unaware of the vehicle's speed. So why does the Earth spin? Will it ever stop? What happens if it does? We have the answers, but before we give them, please don't forget to give a like to this video and to subscribe to our channel. It will inspire us further to create more fun and informative videos just for you. Now, onto our first question. The answer goes all the way back to the beginning of the solar system itself, about 4.54 billion years ago. This was when an enormous cloud of gas and dust began to collapse under its own gravity, after it was hit by a shockwave from a supernova. As the cloud collapsed, it started to spin. Materials inside the cloud formed their own swirling eddies. One of these eddies eventually flattened out into a disk with a bulge in the center. That bulge birthed the sun while the planets formed from the other materials, still spinning, along with the moons, asteroids, and comets. Because of inertia, or that force that keeps an object to remain at rest or in motion unless a stronger force is applied, the Earth and everything that came from that collapsed cloud have continued to spin until today. So that's why the Earth spins. And, according to experts, the planet will continue to do so until eternity, as they foresee nothing that could change this situation. So, to answer our second question, no, the planet will never stop spinning. But, just for the sake of argument, let's say something does stop the Earth from spinning. What happens then? According to scientists, if the Earth stops abruptly, it would be devastating to everything and everyone on the planet. Even as the Earth has stopped spinning, the atmosphere and the oceans will continue to do so because of momentum, or the force that drives moving objects forward. Then we also have inertia that will keep the oceans and the atmosphere moving. You can just imagine the gigantic tsunamis that would be created that would wipe out everything on the face of the planet. Now, if the Earth gradually stops spinning and does so over the course of years, it wouldn't be devastating. At least not immediately. We would see the oceans moving toward either the North Pole or the South Pole, with dry land in between. Half of the world will be covered in water. A day on Earth will last 1 year, with daylight stretching for 6 months, and nighttime the other 6 months. As a consequence, the planet would become so hot, registering temperatures of up to 100 degrees Celsius. Human life, as we know it, would cease to exist. Did you find this episode of So That's Why quite interesting? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Please don't forget to like it and to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.